Hey everyone, welcome back to the Recycle Holic channel. Today, I'm going to build a mini biogas generator using simple materials. It's a fun and eco-friendly project, so let's see how I make it. First, use a 5-liter bottle as the storage tank. Then, drill one large hole for the silicone tube and 2 smaller holes for the thin wires used in electrolysis. Next, I'll use 5 grams of salt for every 2 liters of water, so that the electrolysis reaction occurs at a moderate level. Then, I used another 5-liter bottle to serve as the gas storage tank, collecting the gas produced after the electrolysis process. And make sure to seal tightly any spots where the gas could possibly leak out. Next, I'll pour water into both containers. Next, I used a DC mini diaphragm pump to transfer the gas produced from the electrolysis reaction into the second bottle, the gas storage tank. Then, make sure to add a safety valve to prevent the gas from leaking out. And don't forget, everything must be sealed tightly. Now, let's run it and test the results. Note, you should only use a 12-volt DC power supply. It's quite exciting that I can also make a mini stove using an empty beer can. All done. Let's check out our finished product. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.